This is 5 things you should know about this phone, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. It is the most money-efficient flagship to date, with updated specs, better and more durable body, surprising good gaming capabilities, and overall sweet usage of its form factor. If you would like to read full detailed review, it will be in the description below the video. And now, let's go business, shall we? Thing number 1. Efficiency. And I mean Z Flip3 is about $1,000 US, which is a price of S21 or some iPhones. Of course, you may say that buying traditional flagship will be better. It will be more durable and powerful all around. Well, yes, but no. If you have money to spend on flagship, you either need a talk starter, a status symbol, or you just an enthusiast which loves new tech. And what do you know, Z Flip3 is not only looking sweet and premium, it is also looking interesting and is full of new tech. Not as much as Fold 3, of course, but very close, and price-wise, twice more efficient. By the way, our review of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is up there. So yes, Z Flip3 is not only useful as a smaller piece, while folded of course, it is a flagship which easily can find its audience. Thing number 2, specs. First of all, of course, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Not a plus, just like Fold 3, but still a very powerful little chip. In games it shines, in daily life it shines a lot. Yes, it is a little hot, even not a little, and it can throttle up to 20%. But even after that, you will have a lot of power in hand. RAM is 8 gigs, ROM is up to 256. There is no second SIM or SD card slots, but there is eSIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, 5G and even ultra-wideband. Battery is 3300 mAh, which is not much, and charging speed is only 15 watts max on cable, and even 5 watts less if the phone is hotter than 37 degrees Celsius. Still, wireless and reverse wireless charging are supported. Thing number 3, durability. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, just like Galaxy Z Fold 3, is among the first foldable screen phones to get IPX8 water resistance. Dust is still a problem, just like salt in water, so preferably no sea diving with a phone without a case. Water-resistant case, of course. Still, the folding mechanism is much more durable, and the protective film is 80% more durable too. It still does not like scratches and, nail pressure tests, but it is still better and it can be changed in Ukraine officially. At last, thing number 4, gaming. The dynamic AMOLED 2X FHD Plus screen has unusually high aspect ratio of 22:9, which makes some games to change layout of controls much more to a sides, which is much more useful because you literally have much more screen estate that is not blocked by your fingers. So yes, Z Flip 3 is a phone that pretty much does not need gamepad like GameSir, for example, X2. Also, 120Hz screen and Snap 888 are very welcome in games of all kind, even where 120Hz are not used at all. And thing number 5, form factor, and it has a lot of widgets. It can be used, of course, in less situations than Fold 3, for example, but still you have much less reasons to use the main screen to unfold this foldable phone. Also, secondary screen can be used as amazingly useful viewfinder of any of many cameras, which there are 2. One wide angle, second super wide, both 12 megapixels and are, considering flagship price, pretty good. No 8K support sadly for me, but night mode is very good. There is a pro capture mode and you can use folding mechanism as a tripod to capture stills, for example, of a night sky. Another reason why night mode is very good. At the end, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is very good. It is much more interesting than any traditional flagship, but it is twice cheaper than revolutionary Fold 3. As I've said, price efficiency is phenomenal. Can recommend easily. And that's all for me. And what about you? What are your budget for smartphones? About $500 or grand? Write in the comments below. Of course, if it's closer to grand, please consider supporting our channel using Patreon. Even $1 per month will be just fine. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. YouTube loves it a lot and it gives us more reason to make new videos. My name is Denis Zaychenko with the Root Nation channel and I'll see you next time. See ya!